Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Biancat ProstaVibe B Wellness Inhaler. So this product is basically available on Amazon, and they claim that this nasal spray is for prostate wellness, and it will help you out if you suffer from frequent urination or nighttime awakenings. But if you look at the description of the product, you will not see any of the clinical guidelines and any legit clinical certificate about this product, which raises concerns about its originality. Apart from this, they have a really bad ratings on Amazon, 2.6 out of 5 based on 47 reviews. And even if you look at those reviews, people had really bad experience buying this product. So in conclusion, I would say you should not buy this product without consulting with your doctor, because obviously you're inhaling some stuff and you really don't know what it's all about. So it's really different, and it's really important to take care of your health, because inhaling something is directly related to your nervous system and brain. So I hope this review was helpful for you, and if you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make reviews of as much products as I can, but since I cannot review every single product you send my way, so I have created a document that will help you out to do the research and qualify the product on your own before you can buy it. So do check out that document in the description below, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.